In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively message a seller on Etsy, whether you're considering a purchase or have already made one. Knowing how to reach out to sellers can enhance your shopping experience, helping you understand more about the products and resolve any issues you might encounter. Let's dive right in. When you're browsing through the vast marketplace of Etsy and find an item that piques your interest, you might have some questions before making that purchase. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed in to your Etsy account. This ensures your communications are correctly tracked in your profile. Once you're signed in, navigate to the listing page of the item you're curious about. This is where you can learn more about the item, but if you still have inquiries, look for the Message Seller button. It's typically located just below the Add to Cart or Buy button area. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you can type out your questions. Be clear and concise, detailing exactly what you'd like to know. Once you're satisfied with your message, hit Send. The seller will receive a notification of your inquiry and can provide a response. If you prefer using the Etsy app on your phone or tablet, it's just as simple. On the listing photo, look for the message icon. Tapping this will allow you to directly send a message to the seller, making communication quick and easy, even when you're on the go. Now let's switch gears and talk about how to contact a seller after you've made a purchase and need assistance with your order. Start by signing into your Etsy account. Once in, head over to your account section and navigate to Purchases and Reviews, often referred to as Orders on the platform. Here, you'll find a list of all your recent purchases. Browse through and find the specific order you're having issues with. Right next to it, you should see an option that says Help with Order or Message Seller. Click on it. You'll be provided with a menu to select the issue at hand, such as a late delivery or an item not as described. If your concern doesn't fit these categories, choose Message them about something else. This flexibility ensures you can tailor your message to your specific needs. Once you've selected the appropriate option, you'll want to write a detailed message to the seller. If necessary, include any relevant details or photos to help clarify your concern. When your message is ready, send it off, and the seller will be notified right away. Reaching out to sellers on Etsy can make a significant difference in your buying experience, allowing for personalized communication and problem solving. Following these steps ensures smooth interactions, helping you enjoy the best of what Etsy has to offer.